Imagine going to a public school where one of the world's most advanced AI systems helps guide your learning every day. Not as a test, not as a pilot, as national policy. That is exactly what El Salvador is doing right now. Elon Musk's AI company, XAI, has partnered with the government of El Salvador to launch the world's first nationwide AI-powered education program. This is a full rollout, not an experiment. Over the next 2 years, XAI's Grok model will be deployed across more than 5,000 public schools, supporting over 1 million students and thousands of teachers. The system provides adaptive, curriculum-aligned tutoring, adjusting to each student's pace instead of forcing everyone into the same learning path. Here's the real insight. This is not just about better grades. El Salvador is using AI to leapfrog decades of slow education reform. While many countries debate AI policy, this one is putting AI directly into classrooms and figuring it out in real time. President Nayib Bukele said El Salvador does not wait for the future to happen. It builds it. And that mindset shows. Elon Musk added that this partnership puts the most advanced AI into the hands of an entire generation. That matters, because early AI exposure shapes how responsibly and effectively these tools get used later in life. This is how AI literacy scales, not through elite programs, but through national systems. If you find this kind of real-world AI adoption valuable, like this video, subscribe, and comment with your take. Would you want AI tutoring rolled out nationwide where you live? Now here's the call to action. Pay attention to who is moving first, not who is talking the loudest. Countries and businesses that act early on practical AI will set the rules, standards, and advantages for the next decade. Watch the related video on screen right now to see what this means for AI adoption globally and how you can stay ahead instead of catching up.